2, 1, and
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Orange sabay mas malakas!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
At boys, hindi ba walang wish ni Mommy and Daddy at kanyang brother? Para kay Isay.
Alright, Lord. Hello, happy birthday to you, my son, Isaiah Cerise, and Mark 11:24, whatever you wish for, whatever you ask for, just pray for it, and believe that you will see it and have it. Good health.
And happy birthday anak. Sana lumaki ka maging may takot sa Diyos at higit sa lahat maging halimbawa din lahat. Happy birthday, good health, and more birthdays.
Happy birthday, Isaiah. Sana lumaki ka ng maganda at saka kung manangalaw, kung maging Eagle Scout ako, bibigay ko na yung uniform represent.
What?
Happy birthday.
Good health.
Good health.
Wait lang.
Okay, dahil dyan once again, kanangin pati siya ng Happy Birthday. 3, 2, 1. Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay, lapit na sa cake. I say I make a wish, and after your wish, it's time to blow your
Happy
candle.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, that's all sa magbati ng happy birthday sa 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Asea!
Okay, at dahil dyan, I say at tanggapin mo ang munting regalo ni Gimmys para sa'yo. Ayan. Go get it, Isaiah! Wow! Okay, sabi ni Gimmys, happy birthday and a good health. And of course, at dahil dyan, ang family picture po muna together with our special guest and manny